Hello, my name is Stephen Shepherd. I'm the Business Development Manager for JME. JME have recently invested heavily in a new media studio where we are hopeful that we can carry out one-to-one demonstrations for our whole range of products, not only for you, our existing clients, but also your clients. These demonstrations will cover our whole CR2 range through to our Betatrons and also our new addition to the family, our DXB digital buggy. To take full advantage of this, please contact us using the details shown on screen. Thanks ever so much.